Point number one, you do not really need an education or academics to know what you want. You know what you want in life. And if you really know what you want, you need to start working towards what you want. Because your goals comes from your mind. What you want is what you think. So there's a lot of people out there that are educated, but they never made it in life. So there are people that are illiterate, they never went to school, they don't have academics, but they are really successful today. Why? Because they knew what they want. So the core of the message today is that you need to start knowing what you want. You need to know what you want in life. From day one, when you get to work, like myself, I'm at work right now, as you can see the overalls, I'm working towards my own office. Because you need to start somewhere in order to be somewhere. You can never reach the top level if you do not want to work for it. You will always be dreaming, but without any kind of goals. So I'm coming to you now to tell you that you need to put your effort towards whatsoever that you want. The bottom line of all is that you need to know what you want. If you really know what you want, the first day you get to work, the first day you get to receive the salary, you know what you are working towards. You put money away in order to start what you really want to do. Because for the reason that I'm at work right now, I'm pushing another man's legacy. I'm pushing another man's mandate. The man who have started this company, he had his own, from the beginning, he had his own goals to reach. And I'm helping him to build success. I'm helping him to be the man that he wanted to be from his own dreams fundamentally. Now I am telling you, be someone that you are dreaming yourself to be and start working on it now. A man who doesn't have goals is a man who will always be mourning. He will always be jealous. He will always be talking bad about other people. When he sees other people getting successful, he's getting jealous because he doesn't want to work. So what am I saying here is that you can live wearing expensive clothes for the time being until you get what you want. You can live driving fancy cars as long as you are working on something which is going to be a multi-millionaire, a multi-billionaire, a company or something that you are dreaming of. You need to start today. You must know what you want in life. Put each and every effort of your mind, each and every effort of your money, each and every effort of your time towards everything that you want. Do not sleep if it means to. Do not sleep. When you get home, draft your plans, write it down so you remind yourself every day what you want to do. Trust me, you will thank me later. One of the good days you will be standing and testifying that I have started small, but today I am a big man. I am running a big company. I am running a multi-millionaire company because of you knew what you wanted. If your goal is to get your children to best schools in town, for them to be highly educated, let it be. But the near point is that know what you want in life. Find something to work for. Find something to die for. Find something to put your effort for. Once you find that something, go all out in order to find what you want. You want it, go find it. Go all out, you'll find it. That's me for now. That's me for now. If you're really dreaming yourself to be a CEO, you're seeing yourself to be someone who is a big man running a multi-millionaire company, start working on it. Put money away. Well, it's not very easy putting money away, but I'm going to give you a strategy. If you really know what you want to do, start buying equipment, start buying machinery. Because putting money away, sometimes it becomes a problem because you can put money away and then as time goes by, you use it. Now, start buying machinery. Start buying whatsoever equipments that you need to do whatsoever that you want to do. Start building your capital. You will thank me later. That's me for now. I'm like you. I'm in the overall right now, but I'm working towards that high dimension. I'm working towards my own office and running my own thing. But I have started now on someone's legacy. I am not working to die here, but I'm working to build something. That is the mindset that I want everyone out there who's going to see this video to have. Please like this video and then press the subscribe button and like it so that help other people to find their goals, to find their passion. Find your passion, run to your passion, run through your passion. You will never go wrong, because if you do something that you love, you will not be up against money. You will not be working for money, much money, but you will be working for what you love. And then you'll start something that you love. Find your passion. That's me for now. Sithole Francis, my name. Have a good one. Shalom.